we go to the next part. Mole concept, number of atoms concept. Here, the entire concern of mole concept will be applied to number of atoms. For that first term, what is atomicity? Atomicity is the number of atoms present in one molecule of a substance. If you calculate all the atoms present in one molecule of a substance, it is called as atomicity. Like ammonia is made up of how many atoms? Ammonia is made up of 1 nitrogen and 3 hydrogen. So its atomicity is 4. It is made up of 4 atoms, made up of 1 nitrogen and 3 hydrogen. So its atomicity is 4. Okay, coming to methane. Methane, how many atoms makes up a molecule? 1 carbon and 4 hydrogen atoms. So total number of atoms are 5. So you are aware how is that methane molecule? It is central carbon surrounded by 4 hydrogen atoms. That's methane. Atomicity. Specific atomicity. In ammonia, how many hydrogen atoms are present? Correct, 3. That is called as specific atomicity of hydrogen. How much nitrogen are present in one ammonia? 1. There's only 1 nitrogen atom. So specific atomicity of ammonia for nitrogen is 1. And what is atomicity of ammonia? Correct. It is 4. We add all the atomicity of atoms to get the total atomicity of a molecule. Similarly, can you write down atomicity of sulfuric acid from oxygen, hydrogen, sulfur's perspective? Can you write down? Yes, atomicity of oxygen is 4, atomicity of hydrogen is 2, atomicity of sulfur in sulfuric acid is 1, total atomicity is 7. Relation between atomicity and number of atoms and number of molecules. Let us find out number of hydrogen atom in n molecules of ammonia. Now we are trying to find out in n molecules. So what is the number of molecules of ammonia? Yes, n. One molecule of ammonia has how many hydrogen atoms? 3. So n molecule of ammonia will have how many hydrogen atoms? To do that, apply unitary method, cross multiply, and you will get the answer as 3 multiplied by n hydrogen atoms will be present. Can I summarize? What does N stands for? N stands for number of molecules of ammonia. And what does 3 stands for? It stands for specific atomicity of hydrogen. So whenever you want to get number of hydrogen atom in any molecule, take the specific atomicity and multiply by the number of molecules. In general, right, whenever you want to calculate number of any specific atoms, whenever you want to find out number of any specific atoms, then write down specific atomicity and multiply by number of molecules. Imagine in place of number of specific atoms, you want to find out number of hydrogen atom. Then what you will do? You will multiply by specific atomicity of hydrogen. We will use a symbol of specific atomicity as F. If you want to say specific atomicity of hydrogen, put FH. So can somebody tell me what is specific atomicity of ammonia, of hydrogen? It is 3. What is specific atomicity of nitrogen? Answer is 1 in ammonia. What is atomicity of ammonia? Correct, 4. I suppose you understood. So symbol F stands for atomicity, FH stands for atomicity of hydrogen, F stands for atomicity, and N stands for specific atomicity of nitrogen. If you write on simply F, it is atomicity of a molecule. So, right, whenever you want to calculate any specific atoms, multiply by specific atomicity and number of molecules. So, can you tell me, right, number of oxygen atoms in hydrogen peroxide? Can you tell me? Yes. What should I do? I should multiply by specific atomicity of oxygen. What is specific atomicity of oxygen? Yes, you are correct. It is 2. So multiply 2 with number of molecules of hydrogen peroxide. You will get number of oxygen atoms. Similarly, if somebody wants to calculate number of hydrogen atoms in hydronium ion is H3O plus. How to get number of hydrogen atom? Take specific atomicity of hydrogen. How much it is? 3, correct. And multiply by number of hydronium ions. Take specific atomicity of hydrogen and multiply by number of hydronium ions. You will get number of hydrogen atoms. I suppose now you would have understood what is the method of calculating number of specific atoms. So, can you tell me how to find number of hydrogen atoms in 10 to the power 6 hydronium ions? What is the formula for number of hydrogen atoms? Correct. That is atomicity of hydrogen multiplied by number of H3O plus ions. Atomicity of hydrogen is 3. Number of hydronium ions is 10 to the power 6. So answer is 3 into 10 to the power 6. Can student, you can tell me quickly and orally number of oxygen atoms in 10 to the power 6 hydronium ions? Can you tell me orally? Yes. 1 into 10 to the power 6. Because atomicity of oxygen in hydronium ion is 1. Can you tell me number of oxygen atoms in 10 to the power 20 molecules of ozone? Yes. Whenever you want to calculate number of oxygen atoms, then the formula is atomicity of oxygen and ozone. Atomicity is 3 multiplied by number of ozone molecules. Atomicity is 3 and number of ozone molecule is given as 10 to the power 20. So answer is 3 into 10 to the power 20. That is what is the formula. So if you want to generalize, for carbon dioxide, can I say 1 mole of carbon dioxide is Avogadro number of molecules and it has 44 gram as a mass and occupies 22.4 liter or decimeter cube space at STP. Now, in this number of molecules, how many carbon atoms are present? You have to simply multiply this by atomicity of carbon. If somebody asks how many oxygen atoms are present, take that number and multiply by atomicity of oxygen, that is 2. If somebody asks you total number of atoms in this many number of molecules, then how to calculate in this many number of molecules? Yes, multiply by total atomicity of carbon dioxide, that is multiply by 3. So now you can extend your mole concept to even writing number of atoms. Now for water, if I want to do the similar discussion for water, how should I say for water? If I take 1 mole of water, it will have Na molecules. Will have how many hydrogen atoms? multiply by specific atomicity of hydrogen. We'll have how many oxygen atom? Multiply by specific atomicity of oxygen. We'll have how many total atoms? Multiply by specific not specific, total atomicity of water. We are taking 1 mole of water. If you take 1 mole of water, then it is how much grams? Correct. It is 18 gram. And it will occupy how much space? 22.4 liter space is wrong because it is liquid. Then what is its volume? Take this mass and divide by density of water. That much ml. If you remember previous session, we have to by heart density of water. What is the density of water? 1. That means this answer is 18 ml. So, can we make a new statement? 18 gram of liquid water is 18 ml. This 18 ml of water contains how many molecules? Na molecules. It has how many hydrogen atoms? 18 ml of water. 2 into Na hydrogen atoms. 18 ml of water has how many oxygen atoms? Correct. 1 into Na oxygen atoms. 18 ml of water has how many total hydrogen? Not total atoms, not hydrogen. Total atoms. Correct. 3 into Na.